Do you struggle to feel confident while working in a team? Stay with me for less than 1.5 minutes. I have something interesting for you. First, get to know the people on your team. When you become friends, working together feels easier and less scary. Second, don't be shy to share your ideas. Your thoughts are important and can help the team. Third, listen carefully to what your teammates say. Good listening helps everyone work better together. Fourth, think about what you want to say before team meetings. Planning what to say can make you feel more confident. Fifth, remember that it's okay to make mistakes. Everyone does sometimes, and we learn from them. Sixth, tell yourself that you can do things well. Saying positive things to yourself can make you feel stronger. Seventh, help your teammates when they need it. This shows you are kind and you can be trusted. Lastly, remember that you have special skills. Everyone brings something good to the team. Keep trying and soon you'll feel more confident working in a team. Stay tuned for more.